See how OMI supercharges fault triaging for reliability teams. Discover how reliability engineers and technicians can 10x their productivity with AI-powered contextual analysis. Explore our platform with simulated reliability data to experience how OMI handles real fault scenarios without affecting your production systems. Let's start by identifying which critical assets you need to monitor and troubleshoot effectively. Select an asset class that typically requires intensive fault analysis and triaging. Choose the relevant tags or variables that reliability teams monitor for early fault detection. Apply your selections to generate a smart monitoring dashboard that highlights potential reliability issues. See how OMI has analyzed the failure patterns and contextualized the data, work that would typically take hours done in seconds. Rate OMI's fault analysis based on your engineering expertise. Would this save your troubleshooting time? Add equipment-specific context or historical insights. This enriches OMI's understanding for even faster triaging next time. Select a standardized form that matches your reliability workflow. No more hunting through multiple systems. Categorize the fault event accurately. OMI will learn from these classifications to improve future diagnostics. Submit your analysis with a single click. Imagine handling 10 issues in the time it used to take for just one. Like what you see? Get started with your free access to OMI. Bring your AI game to work every day